What's going on, everybody? This is Phil from Millennial Money Gains, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we are going to go over a dividend growth play that seems to be trading at a pretty decent discount right now. But without further ado, let's get started. The stock we are talking about today is company named Visa. Ticker symbol is V. But before we dive deeper into this company, if you guys are hyped for this video, please make sure you smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. Also, join the family. Hit that subscribe button down below. We post 2 videos just like this one every single week, every Sunday and every Tuesday. And sometimes we will post an extra one at the end of the week. If you guys want to follow my dividend journey to $100,000 portfolio, I am still very far away, but that's why this is all relative. I am not someone who comes from money. So if you guys want to join the family and follow that journey and talk to me about your journey, hit that subscribe button, leave your comments down below. But now let's talk about Visa Company. Visa Inc. is currently trading at $192 at the time I am making this video, and it is down a whopping 26% from all-time highs. So if you are looking to get into this major card giant, then now could be the time for you. But we're going to hop in deeper, go a little bit more over about what the company is, what the company does, and we're going to hop into the numbers because that is where we find the value. Visa Inc. operates as a payments technology company worldwide. The company facilitates digital payments among consumers, merchants, financial institutions, businesses, strategic partners, and government entities. It operates VisaNet, a transaction processing network that enables authorization, clearing, and settlement of payment transactions. In addition, the company offers card products, platforms, and value-added services. It provides its services under the Visa, Visa Electron, Interlink, VPay, and Plus brands. Visa Inc. was founded in 1958 and is headquartered in San Francisco, California. Now, let's hop into the numbers and take a look at what Visa is all about. So, Visa is currently trading, like I said, at $192 per share. It is down almost 12% in the past year alone. And what exactly are we looking for? We are going to look at revenues. We're going to look at outstanding shares. We're going to look at definitely a number of different things in order to tell whether or not Visa is a good buy, in my opinion. So first, we're going to take a look at their outstanding shares on their balance sheet. We want to make sure this number is decreasing. That way it increases shareholder value. So in September of 2017, they had 2.2 billion shares outstanding. September of 2021, they had 2.1 billion shares outstanding. So we do see this consistent downtrend in shares outstanding. And that's exactly what we want to see. We want to make sure that those shares are decreasing every single year. Now let's take a look at their income statement, go over some of their revenues, and make sure those are growing as well. Because without revenues, there's no company. Without cash flow, there's no dividend. So cash flow is very important when it comes to a dividend. Revenues, 2017, $18.35 billion. 2021, $24.1 billion. And we have seen that same consistent uptrend in revenues. Now let's go over to the cash flow. Cash flow is a huge one. Like I said, you guys want to know exactly how I look and value these companies. This is the basis of what I do. This is how I start. I look at all these numbers, and then I'll dive deeper into their AK forms and different forms. That is how I value these companies, just so you guys know. Net income, 2017, $6.7 billion. They doubled that, almost doubled that in 2021 to $12.3 billion. So very good there. Now let's take a look at what everyone wants to see, which is the dividends. So they do currently pay a small dividend, just about 0.8%, with a payout ratio of a very small 22.06. They do have dividend growth for the past 13 years and a 5-year dividend growth rate of a whopping 17.91%, which is huge. That is paying yourself every single year. You are getting that consistent growth of your dividend and those consistent raises in the dividends. So they do pay a dividend on a quarterly basis at 38 cents per share. Let's take a look at their dividend history. right? So what we see here is a nice uptrending chart. Like we want to see. We want to see dividends increasing as well as share price, and Visa has it all. Dividend safety on Seeking Alpha has been rated a B, which is really good. And that's all we're going to look there. For dividend growth on Seeking Alpha, it's also been rated a B for the past year. And dividend per share growth is rated a B minus, so very good there as well. Let's go over to our valuation page. So right now, Seeking Alpha gives Visa a valuation of C minus, so not too great there. This could mean they are overvalued, but we're going to hop right into their numbers and into their financials and see for ourselves what we think, if we think they are overvalued or not. So they do have a market cap of $420 billion with a PE ratio of 31.6. Now remember, we look for anything under 25, so this one is a little bit over, but does that mean we have to pay a premium on it? Maybe. Price to cash flow of 25.09, which is also very high. Their revenue is $25.48 billion with revenue growth of 18.61%, which is really good for a company of their size. They have total cash on hand of $15.92 billion with long-term debt sitting at $17.67 billion. They do a free cash flow of $12.08 billion, which is great for their dividend and to grow their dividend. So, I am definitely very interested in getting to Visa. I really want to see this number, the stock price come down a little bit. I would like it closer into the 180s, 170s is kind of pushing it, I think. But if we can get it there, it is definitely one to snag up just based on all these numbers. That is just my opinion. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. But that's going to wrap up the video here. That's my takeaways on this super dividend stock play. If you guys found it interesting or you got taken anything from it, please make sure you smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. We're looking to grow this channel. Also join the family. We have a bunch of new subscribers here. Please consider subscribing by joining that family. We post here every Sunday and Tuesday. Post videos just like this one, and you can follow my dividend journey. I really appreciate you all for watching. Leave your comments down below. What do you guys think about Visa or any other dividend stocks you are looking at? And I will see you in the next video. Peace.